What's going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel and welcome to a full day of eating on a bulk. Today I'm gonna show you all the meals that I have in my new bulking diet. It has changed quite a lot actually. I've changed half of my meals basically, and yeah, I want to show you guys what I'm gonna be eating every day. Probably the same things every day for the next however long it takes to reach 90 kg. After I reach 90 kg, I'm gonna see how my conditioning is and also how much actual muscle I put on, and then I'm gonna decide, do I want to do a cut or do I want to continue bulking. So I'm gonna go weigh myself very quickly and I'm gonna tell you guys what I weigh right now. Alright, so my current weight is 81 kilograms. Now I dropped 2 kg, and I actually know why that is. For the last couple of weeks I've been having trouble with sleeping, and my sleep schedule just went through the window, and basically that resulted in me eating less meals throughout the day. I kinda switched day and night basically, so like I would wake up super late in the day and then have like meal 1, workout, meal 2, and then I would go to bed again, but I can't sleep up until like 4 a.m. and then I'd sleep and then I'd wake up late in the day again, and it just goes in circles, and basically I would have 2 meals per day, which is nowhere near enough what I need to eat. So yeah, I fucked up my sleeping schedule. Actually it's getting better. I've managed to eat 3 meals yesterday, but yeah, we still lost 2 kilograms. But that's okay, that's okay. This new diet is gonna hopefully improve everything, and we're gonna be progressing much faster. Anyway, I'm not gonna talk too much. I'm just gonna go show you meal number 1, which is gonna be protein pancakes. Alright guys, so that's gonna be meal number 1 for today. I'm gonna go eat this right now, and then I'm gonna see you for meal number 2. Alright guys, so for meal number 2 I'm gonna have some hamburgers. I know this probably sounds like a really bad diet, and almost all the meals are like cheat meals, but I assure you they look like cheat meals, but they're actually much healthier than, let's say, going to McDonald's. Okay, so yeah, those pancakes may usually be like a cheat meal, but the pancakes have all the nutrients that I need, and they're macro friendly, so all the meals in this diet are macro friendly. To be honest, these hamburgers might actually be a cheat meal, might actually be an only cheat meal in the diet. Yeah, you know, I have to get in the calories somehow, so yeah, let's go make the hamburgers now.
It's just another doorway to open up and see what kind of lifeline will be waiting there for me. I need to bury all these fears and let them fade away. I'm not scared, I'm prepared to find myself again. I wanna fly over mountains, I wanna reach the end, I'll rise up from the ashes, I wanna burn again. I'll find my way through the bitterness I'm feeling. I won't rest, I won't give up, I'm still healing. The pain that I once let kill my vibe, I fear the day that I lose the chance to fight. So I stand up tall, ready to face it all.
Alright, here we have meal number 2. So I tried to make them lower in fat, so I took away the mayonnaise and also took away the cheese, and yeah, I think they turned out great. I'm gonna go enjoy them right now, but I'm gonna enjoy them with, of course we have to get a Monster in. So yeah, this is also gonna be my pre-workout for the day. I'm gonna go enjoy this right now, and I'll see you guys for meal number 3. Alright guys, so for meal number 3 we're gonna be making some protein cookies. Now these are inspired by Brandon Harding. He actually calls them Pro-Card cookies. I already tried them once, I already made them once, and they turned out pretty great. I love them, and yeah, this is my second time making them, so hopefully they're gonna turn out even better now. And yeah, I'm gonna show you the ingredients now. Alright, we're gonna be using this bowl to mix everything up. We're gonna be using 25 grams of impact whey protein. We're gonna be using some blueberries, also some white chocolate chips, and we're gonna be using the peanut butter and 100 grams of oats. So yeah, let's go mix everything together and make the cookies.
There's a place where you can run free. Time does not exist. Take a chance when the road before us falls under our face. I can't hold on, I can't remain so strong. We have the same old bond, but everything is wrong. My love is gone, but I've been born. I can't make it on my own. When I'm alone, my love is gone.
go, guys, the protein cookies are done. Honestly, they don't look the greatest. The other ones that I made actually look better, but I can assure you they taste really good. The macros are gonna be on the screen right now. So yeah, I'm gonna go enjoy this right now, and I'll see you guys for meal number 4. Alright guys, we made it to meal number 4. So meal number 4 is gonna be something that my mom makes. She basically makes lunch every day for the whole family. So every day I have to eat whatever she makes. And today it's gonna be 2 pieces of chicken with some rice and vegetables. And this is how it looks. Here you go, this is the final meal of the day. And the macros for the meal are gonna be somewhere on the screen right now. So yeah, that was meal number 4. Now I usually either get in a shake or like a snack in between the meals. So sometimes it can be like 5 meals, but honestly I just try and get in around 3,000 calories basically daily, and drink a lot of water basically. And yeah, I think that's gonna be it for today's video. If you did enjoy this video, please make sure to smash the like button. Also, don't forget to subscribe down below. And yeah guys, I'll see you guys in the next one.